What are the states doing now? And given that President Biden has also called Roe being on the ballot for the U.S. midterm elections, what can we expect?
Yeah, Sherry, it's somewhat confusing now, even though that it was widely anticipated, given that this the draft opinion was leaked more than a month ago. Still, it has been a confusion in the last few days. As soon as the Roe was overturned by the U.S. Supreme Court, at least 9 states with more than 40 million people went ahead and banned abortion right away. There were clinics were closed, even though there were people there to get abortions. Their appointments were canceled. They were sent home. That's in at least 9 states. In a number of others, including populous states like Texas, they are waiting for their so-called trigger laws to make it through the courts that basically are triggered by the Supreme Court ruling. Could take up to 30 days before those bans go into effect. But about 26 states will likely have either abortion will be banned or it will be severely curtailed, given the Supreme Court's ruling Friday, or the decision's announcement on Friday. Another 16 states will have some form of abortion on the books. Some states like California, Oregon, and Washington, which came out with a kind of joint memo over the weekend saying they want to be sanctuary states where they want to help women in other states who can't get abortions come there, because these are states that do have abortion laws on the books protecting abortion. So we're going to see a patchwork, and we're going to see almost 2 Americas when it comes to abortion rights in coming weeks and months. The other question is, given some comments that Justice Clarence Thomas made, whether other rights like gay marriage, like even contraception, could be curtailed or overturned given this ruling now and given the precedent that overturning Roe was set.
Jodi, and it's feared to Americas when it comes to the socioeconomic gap, right? Because we know that the corporate reaction, a number of these big corporates are already pledging for their employees' travel costs to be covered if they need them.
That's right. A number of corporations have come out and said they support abortion rights. They tend to be in states that already have those laws or those protective laws on the books. They're based in New York, California, Illinois. But they have come out and said that they will pay for the abortions and the travel costs of employees who need abortions, who will travel across state, who will need to travel across state lines to get them. This is largely symbolic. There's no real estimate of how many people will take advantage of this, but a number of companies, including Disney, including Meta, including Uber, and Amazon, have come out with statements reiterating this. A number of them have already made this case, have already said this, but a number of them have come out over the past few days and reiterated this, saying that they would go ahead and pay for the travel costs as well as any medical costs, that they support abortion rights.